Ready to elevate your camping meals in 2025? From lightweight sets to full-featured kits, we've rounded up the best camping cookware to make your outdoor cooking experience easier and tastier. Stay tuned as we explore the top contenders for your next adventure. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Stanley Adventure Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. This is a durable and high-quality cookware set, perfect for those who enjoy car camping or RV trips. While it's dishwasher safe, its weight makes it less suitable for hiking. The set includes a 4.75-quart stainless steel pot, a 9-quart saucepan, an 8.5-inch frying pan, along with a collapsible cutting board, spatula, spoon, trivets, and a locking bungee to store everything securely. The cookware is designed to distribute heat evenly, which is crucial for outdoor cooking. It's known for its longevity and rust resistance, with many considering it a buy-it-for-life item. While not ideal for backpackers due to its weight, it's an excellent choice for those looking for reliable, rugged gear for their camping adventures. Number 2. Stanley Base Camp Cook Set for 4. For those seeking an affordable Stanley cookware set, the Base Camp Cook Set offers great value. Rust-proof and scratch-resistant, this set is perfect for a family of 4. It includes 21 nested components, such as a 3.5-liter pot with a vented lid, a 7-inch frying pan, a cutting board, spatula, serving spoon, and a drying rack trivet. Also included are 4 6-inch plates, bowls, and forks, all of which pack neatly into the 5-liter pot with a locking bungee. Some reviewers mention the plates are small, and cleaning can be tricky, but the overall convenience and portability make up for it. While it's a bit heavy for hiking, it's an excellent option for car campers, or those with a short walk to the campsite. Number 3. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. This is an excellent choice for backpacking trips, weighing just 3.62 pounds and offering configurations for 2 or 4 people. While on the pricier side, it includes everything you need for a camp kitchen. The set comes with 4 plates, 4 insulated mugs, 4 bowls, a 2-liter pot with a strainer lid, a 3-liter pot with a strainer lid, a frying pan, an attachable folding handle, and a stuff sack that doubles as a wash basin. All items are made from durable anodized aluminum with a non-stick Teflon coating. A common complaint is the lack of a second handle, which can make transferring cookware a hassle. However, most users love the quality and functionality of the set. Number 4. Bisgear 16-piece Portable Cookware Kit. This is an affordable and compact solution for light packers and beginners. It includes 16 pieces, making it ideal for quick, easy camping meals. The set comes with a mini stove with piezo ignition, and an anodized aluminum pot and frying pan, along with 2 BPA-free bowls, a soup spoon, a stainless steel fork and spoon set, a carabiner, a folding knife, and a storage bag. The stove works with 7/16 thread fuel canisters, but we wouldn't rely on it for extensive cooking, as there are better stove options out there. While it's hand wash only, this set is great for short trips, but for those looking for durability, a higher-end option may be worth the investment. It's perfect for casual campers, but not for those seeking long-lasting, heavy-duty gear. Number 5. Odoland Camping Cookware and Mini Stove. This is an affordable, lightweight option for hikers and campers looking to pack light. The set includes 9 pieces, including a mini stove, 2 aluminum non-stick pots, a silicone insulated cup, a cutlery set, and 2 carrying bags for easy storage. The pots feature folding handles for convenience, and the set is lead-free, adding to its safety appeal. However, while the stove is functional, reviews mention the igniter corrodes easily, so you may want to invest in a separate stove for better reliability. Overall, this set is great for short trips, and those who prioritize affordability and compact storage, though it's not ideal for extensive or long-term use. So, which one's the best? The Stanley Base Camp Cook Set for 4 takes the win with its durable design, ample capacity, and versatility, making it perfect for group camping trips.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.